What you doing, Emmy? You have the hiccups? They're not your favorite thing in the world, are they? Yummy.